Welcome to the Card Guide. In today's video, I'll show you how to rename the credit card payment option using the Nice Reorder app. So I'll also explain when this feature is available. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Let's get started. First, we can go to the app section. Here we can choose the Next Reorder app. So here in payment method, we can choose the Quick Rename Payment Method. So to configure the role, we can here change the role name, rename credit card like that. Okay, here role status is activated. Here payment method, I am choosing credit card. Okay, now here I am giving the name like debit or credit card like that. Okay. So before it was like credit card, we can go to the checkout section and let's see. Yeah, here it is in credit card. So after save, it will be debit or credit card. So that click on save. Let's see. Okay, now the rule has been updated. Go to the checkout section and let's refresh. Okay, now the it is in debit or credit card instead of only credit card. So I think our stores support this feature, so we can see the payment option displayed as debit or credit card. So credit card payment method can only be renamed on eligible Shopify Plus store in supported region like United States and Canada. So if you don't see this option, it's Shopify limitation, not a Next Reorder app limitation. So that's it. Keep it that in your mind. So that's it. You have learned how to rename the credit card payment option and when this feature is available. So if you found this helpful, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.